Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time, I'm talking about a refinance. What's the price of Reef? What's the price changes occur in the refinance? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos, guys. So guys, first of all, if you talk about the right now price of refinance 0.021004 USD dollar, that's right now price of refinance. Furthermore, the last 1 hour, last one day, changes occur and the refinance is going negative only, guys. The yesterday changes of refinance is positive 4.88%, guys. The last 1 week, sorry, last 1 week changes is positive. In the last 7 days, the price pump, and from yesterday again the price is going into loose, guys. I'm sorry for that, but this update of refinance. You can see, guys, that is last 3 days price chart. In the last 3 days changes is about negative 0.59%, and you can see, guys, for short time also reef pump, but after a short time pump again the price start dumping, guys. So that's bait for all of you. Now, guys, possibilities that in the last half October reef will again start pumping. So I not recommend selling for all of you in the right now situation. I just recommend for all of you holding. If you hold, so possibilities that in the upcoming time you will get a more profit from refinance. So just hold. Hope you will get a profit in the future, guys. Anyways, what you think about reef? Also share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.